do next is I have a tool that I went to buy at AutoZone. And what this is supposed to do, it's a spiral bolt extractor set. And it has different sizes of bolt that it's supposed to take out. It's supposed to grip on to the rounded off bolts, and it's supposed to extract it. And we're going to see if that works on an oil drain pan plug. In fact, it has the 13 millimeter that it needed. Now this thing was very expensive and I needed it fast. So it cost $40 at AutoZone. But if you ordered them online, you can find them cheaper. I'll put a link to both in my video description. All right, yeah. So what we're about to do is I've got this 13 millimeter extractor socket on this 1/4 ratchet. I'm going to put the socket onto the rounded off oil drain bolt. Got it on there really good. And make sure this product is going to grab it or not. Oh my God, it works for real. Right on camera. You can see it broke this loose. And the only thing you guys might need to require is, you know, I can bench press 300 pounds. I'm just joking, guys. You're going to have to be pretty strong, but it did break that loose. So I'm going to put the pan under here, the drop pan, to see if there's any oil to even leak out into the pan. See, here it comes. Coming right off there. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Got it, got it, got it. And here it comes. And this is also another way to change your oil. What you want to do is let the oil just leak out of the oil pan. Let it drain into the drop pan here. Make sure that the lid is off up on the top of the car and let the oil, all of it, leak into this drop pan. So we're just going to let that run out. It'll take probably, it's different on every car, but on this one, take about 15 minutes. So I'm just going to get out from under here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this socket. I'm going to lightly tap around the bolt to get this socket off of this bolt. And it is off of there. You can see this is the extractor bolt right here. And it worked. And this is how rounded off. You can see that right there. And I bought a replacement oil plug bolt also at AutoZone for like $5, and it's going to replace this one. Now what you don't want to do is round these off with a wrench. You should always use a socket. Don't put these on with power tools. Don't put these on with an air gun. This is what I got for $5 to replace it, is this new plug right here. Anyways, that was a success, guys.